how to get started with the Raven app as a user. Okay, so we open the app. 1 second. Yeah, so you have the app installed, and then it opens into this. You can get to understand that okay, as a shop owner, you can easily open a shop showcasing your goods and services. The closest person who might need that goods and services around you and the world at large. As a buyer, you can see all the shops around you offering the goods and services you're looking for, including the Ankara lady at the entrance of your gates. And as a delivery agent, you can deliver goods ordered closest to your current location. Yeah. So we can get started. You can easily just sign up very easily. But since I'm signed up already, I'm just gonna log in using my. You know what? Let's sign up instead. So we can sign up using the email. Okay, so I'm just gonna say daily cream. Daily cream. And my phone number is 005. Okay, my email is dailycream@gmail.com. Now you're supposed to get an OTP and then a message that lets you sign in, and you're supposed to be able to use the email to recover your password if forgotten. So you put into account all of that. And then you need your passwords to be as secure as possible. It has to have some uppercase characters, some lowercase characters, a special character, mm, and numbers. In my case, I'm just gonna use this. Okay. And to save myself the headache of making a mistake, I'm just gonna paste that and proceed. So if it is successful, I get to see that I'm logged in successfully, and then I can proceed from there. Let's wait and see. So it's successful now. And the most important aspect of this application is that you're supposed to be able to use your location. So if your location is not turned on, it gives you some issues. So at this point, you're supposed to pick your location, and this is my current location, and you can navigate around depending on your location, and try as much as possible to get your most accurate location, and it keeps updating it here as well because it uses that at the end of the day to tell, okay, so this is where this person is, and these are the closest shops to his or her location. And so we are in now. And once we get in, we can see all of the different models, our address, and a couple of other things to push us around when we prefer a particular shop against another. It comes into our favorite. Now we can decide to go for pharmacies and see all the pharmacies in our current location. We can decide to also, yeah, so we can see all the pharmacies in our current location, and we can decide to visit it or decide to do anything else we want to do. So that's all for this video. You get the next one. So thank you.